headline coming in where the former Congress Party President and Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has made a big statement about the Aghadi government in the state of Maharashtra. Rahul Gandhi has said the Congress Party is only supporting the government in the state and the party is not a decision maker. He also went on to say that the Congress makes decision only in the state that it rules, that is of Punjab, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan and in Puducherry. So does that absolve the Congress Party completely of the state of Maharashtra, where an alliance forming the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi with the NCP and also with the Shiv Sena coming together of these three parties are these cracks that have now become imminent, a feature in the Aghadi government in the state of Maharashtra. We have Aishwarya Kapoor, our political editor, with us. So is the Congress Party absolving itself for any responsibility and accountability in the state of Maharashtra? Because Sanjay Raut of the Shiv Sena said, Aishwarya, that the government is safe and sound, no cracks.
Yeah. Well, yes, they can say that, but at the end of the day, Rahul Gandhi comes out and says that they are not in power. So he's basically trying to put the blame game onto Uddhav Thackeray and then Sharad Pawar, trying to give out a message that because they are not in majority and they are just supporting, they are not controlling and they are not the decision makers. So he's basically saying that whatever wrong is happening in the state of Maharashtra, he and his party are not responsible. But Amita, he needs to understand that it's a coalition government. It's Congress, NCP and Sena. And Sena, Congress and NCP, they're all together in this. Rahul Gandhi cannot come out and say that just because the Chief Minister is not from his coalition party, that they are not the decision-making authority. They are in the government. You have Congress ministers in the Uddhav Thackeray government. And if he is not able to take any decision, then why is he part of that government? Because all what is going wrong in the state of Maharashtra, he is putting the complete onus back on Uddhav Thackeray and then Sharad Pawar. So it's up to those two leaders that whether they will allow Rahul Gandhi to do so, whether they will allow Congress to reap the benefits of being in power but not take the blame. So the fact remains that once again, trying to be oversmart, Congress party trying to put blame back on Sena and then Sharad Pawar. So this is the very known tactic of the Congress party. They say that they are in power in Punjab, Chhattisgarh, where there is a Congress government. Whenever you come into an alliance and Congress party has ministers, Congress ministers are there in the Uddhav Thackeray government. Despite that, Rahul Gandhi comes out and says that it's not his responsibility. That is what he's saying. He's trying to put the blame, he's trying to move away himself from the blame, he is trying to shield himself and his Congress party because everyone knows what's happening in Maharashtra. They are not able to provide the manifest of people who want to go back. 125 trains kept on waiting. So the ground reality of what is happening in Maharashtra, everyone is aware about it. Whether it's the Congress, whether it's the NCP or whether it is Shiv Sena's Uddhav Thackeray, they may say that all is okay.
Was it evident from the fact that even when meetings are taking place between Sharad Pawar and Uddhav Thackeray, there wasn't any Congress party leader who was present in those meetings, clearly giving that idea that Congress party has put its hands up saying that we are not responsible, you are the government, you have the maximum number of leaders in your party?
Well, but this is not happening for the first time. We've seen at least half a dozen meetings happening in the last fortnight, which only has these two leaders, that is the Chief Minister and also the son of the Chief Minister, that is Aditya Thackeray, and then you have Sharad Pawar. So this has been happening for the last fortnight, 20 days. Congress is only waking up now. Congress is basically feeling a sense of power, a sense of loss of power, beg your pardon, as far as these meetings are concerned. It's not that if Uddhav Thackeray will call, the Congress ministers would not go. Congress ministers would go running, Amita. Let there be no doubt about it.
Aishwarya, interrupting